So contemporary song usually have 4 sets of 8. Our goal in West Coast, one of our goal in West Coast swing is to hit the dominant 1. So this is the 1 of the new phrase change. This is the goal. We did an exercise to feel the music, to feel that the new phrase is coming. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. One more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Then the third 8 to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. The last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and new phrase and 1 and 2 and 3. So doing this exercise with any music, you will start to feel the energy, the power, like the new layers. So you can finally like get to the point to hit the 1 without actually counting. The same idea, you start with the touch step, 2 sets of touch step, then you do like walking, like playing something, rather than West Coast swing or line dance. But then I would like you to catch the 1 with the touch step again. So then we started to do actually this. You need to understand that you need to catch the last 8, the last set of 8 in the paragraph. Yeah, and we did a different situation. So we created different situation. We used only 6 and 8 counts pattern to be in a different count of the last 8. So there is an example how you can do it. And then I will show you. With the music. So if you will do 4 starter step, 4 counts, then 6, 6, 8, 8, you will face the situation that there is no count left to hit. So it will look like we skip the intro and we start starter step. Then 6 count pattern, 1 more 6 count pattern, then 2 beats, 1 more beat, 5, 6, what to do? 5, 6, 10. When you catch yourself on the 7 and 8 of the last 8, what to do? You just extend the pattern. It looks like. Then skip the intro. Intro may be different length. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my woman, I've been a fool. 1 more 6 count and whip. 6 count pattern. Sorry, and I will be facing mirror. This was the situation when we finished our anchor on 5 and 6 and we have 3 counts left to hit the music. So you need to have a set in your pocket of 3 counts pattern lift, 6 counts pattern hit with a different hand hold position. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, so starter. 6 counts. Good one.
I will never know how you've been doing anymore.
6, 7.
It's alright.
Yeah, so this was the last one. We didn't finish our 7 and 9 counts pattern, but this was your homework to do it. I just wanted to mention that followers, you can hit the phrase change by yourself. Imagine the situation that leader started to lead 7-8 on 7 underarm, so you can hear the music and hit by yourself. So you do 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. This was an example when follower initiated the hitting the phrase. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I hope it was helpful.